Hi, this is Alan Dow, physician at VCU Health, here with Mike Rao, president of VCU and VCU Health System. Hi, Dr. Rao.
Hi.
What can you tell us about coming back to the hospital now that we're sort of kind of in this new normal where we've sort of gotten coronavirus under control and we're thinking about getting back to normal in the hospital?
Well, we've always been a safe hospital, there's no question about it, but we've learned a lot through this process and we're even safer.
What kind of things do you think people can expect as they re-enter the hospital environment?
I think there will be some things that'll be different. You'll find that there will be different pathways for people depending on the kind of symptoms that they have, but we want to keep people safe and separate from each other depending on the kinds of issues that they might have or needs that they have.
One of the things that I've been worried about is people not accessing healthcare because of the 6 weeks or so that we've been dealing with the pandemic. How do you think about those issues?
I think that they are very serious issues. I am concerned about the number of patients who we tend to see on a regular basis, even in our clinics, who present to us with what they think are small symptoms, but they turn out to be major issues with their core health. And so I'm a little concerned about what people might bring back to the health system, but we'll take care of them and we'll make certain that we do the very best that we can to get them back on track with healthy lives.
Great. Well, it sounds like the big thing is just trying to get back to normal and making sure that people can access the care they need when they need it in the safest way possible.
Absolutely. And you know, one of the things that we've always said, and I said this before we began, and that is that the university and the health system are focused on safety. We'll always be focused on safety. This has brought it to yet a new level, a new height of safety that I think everyone will be very pleased with and very impressed with.
Great. Well, I appreciate you spending time with me.